authority controlling this police station?
SP Begusara.
No, we don't want to disturb SP.
DSP.
There must be somebody who
DY
must be immediate in charge of this.
DYSP.
DySP present before this court.
Pardon, my lord?
When you are keeping DySP present before the court of this region?
My lord, 10 days time maybe,
No, 10 days
because at present the Begusara district
Why
is very...
10 days? Why 10 days? Facility of phone is not available in your office. We will ask the DGP to keep him on such post where Babugiri is only expected of him, and not this field officer, work of field officer. We'll post him as a Babu.
May please.
Yes, APP, what are your instructions? What happened to the other accused persons?
Three named accused persons,
Yes.
namely Tuntun Chaudhary,
Yes.
Ajay Chaudhary and
Yes.
Ramasankar Chaudhary.
Yes.
When the charge sheet was submitted on 9/8/11,
Yes.
it was stated in that these three are absconding, and they have been, the investigation was going on, and
Yes.
only for that reason, charge sheet was not submitted
Investigation was
on
going
that date.
Investigation was going on.
Yes, my lord.
So what is now present state?
My lord, I have to take instruction on this point.
Because in the judgment we have pointed out to you yesterday that investigation is kept pending in respect of other accused persons. That
Yes,
was
ma'am.
the same thing which we have told you yesterday. Keep your, who is this, which police station?
Samho.
Station?
Samho PS case number 21 of
Who is
2010.
the immediate superior officer of this police station? Not from the police station. Who is the authority controlling this police station?
SP Begusara.
No, we don't want to disturb SP.
DSP.
There must be somebody who
DY
must be immediate in charge of this.
DYSP.
When you will be keeping DySP present before this court?
Pardon, my lord?
When you are keeping DySP present before the court of this region?
My lord, 10 days time maybe,
No, 10 days
because at present the Begusara district
Why
is
10
very...
days? Why 10 days? Facility of phone is not available in your office. You will have to write letter and send it by post to the concerned district.
My lord.
By fax or email.
So
Yes, by email.
you are not having phone in your office of the public prosecutor.
My lord, AG office will send by mail.
But we don't now want AG office or that office or this office. There must be some office in charge of prosecuting the appeals before the High Court. Whether telephone connection is there in that office or not, it may be office of AG, super AG, deputy
lord,
AG.
My lord, on my mobile phone I can inform the DSP.
So Monday he should remain present before the court with these instructions. Whether he was successful in locating these persons, if they are according to him absconding, and whether the fact that they are absconding is appearing in the police diary. Police diary, how many times the concerned officer went to the place of abode of these persons, for how many times he found them absent from their house, what is the latest date of tracing them out, and what is the current stage of investigation for this Tuntun Chaudhary, Ajay Chaudhary, Ram Shankar Singh.
My lord.
Okay. During the course of hearing of these appeals, we have noted that FIR is against these accused persons also. We have noted that the crime in question was registered even against following accused who were not put up for trial. ABC कर दो उसको. टुनटुन चौधरी अलाइस छोटे शुक्ला, सन ऑफ धारनक चौधरी. बस बनाए लेट वगैरह देखते बनेंगे. बी Ajay Chaudhary, son of Naval Chaudhary. C. Ram Shankar Singh, son of Upendra Singh. Full stop. Next para. The impugned judgment shows that these three persons were not charge sheeted for the reason that the investigation qua these accused persons was still pending. Full stop. This happened about this had happened in the year 2012. Full stop. We are now in 2022. Full stop. The learned APP from perusal of the record makes a statement that these three persons were absconding at the time of filing of the charge sheet. Full stop. Next para. If that is so, comma, we fail to understand what steps are taken by the prosecuting agency to apprehend these accused persons in last 10 years. Full stop. We are not informed about the fact whether the investigation qua these three accused persons named in the FIR is over or not with passage of last 10 years. Full stop. Next para. In this view of the matter, we direct the concerned Deputy Superintendent of Police who is supervising authority of police station Shamho, SHAMHO, district Begusarai, to appear in person before us, equipped with all these instructions on and at 11 by 11 AM on आज की तारीख कितनी है? On 19th 10:30 कर दो, 11 क्या करते 10:30 AM on 19th. The learned APP to communicate this order to the concerned Deputy Superintendent of Police. First, a failure of the concerned Deputy Superintendent of Police to appear before the court for assisting the court on all these aspects in these old appeals shall be construed as interference in the course of administration of justice and shall be dealt with suitably. First, okay, with this we will continue and will post it. We hope you understood our order.
Yes, my lord, I will.
Make him present with all these instructions, whether closure report was filed, whether charge sheet is filed again in respect of all these three persons, and if it is not, then why he should not be dealt with according to law by this court, because he is the superior authority. He is entrusted to inspect this police station. He is entrusted with the job of seeing whether charge sheets are filed or not, whether closure reports are filed or not. So what he is doing, we want to know. Yes.
My lord, he has to file affidavit in this regard.
It is your choice. If you come up with instructions that yes, these three persons were apprehended in the year 2014, they are charge sheeted in the year 2014, their trial result in their acquittal or their trial resulted in their conviction, that is sufficient for us. But if he has committed lapses, then he will have to file affidavit explaining his lapses. But if he come up with a case that yes, in the year 2014, 15, 16, we have filed closure report, end of the matter. If he comes with a stand that yes, in the year 2014 we have filed charge sheet against all these 3 persons. End of the matter. Why the affidavit is required? Affidavit will be required if he has shown slack supervision over his police station. Then we will ask the DGP to keep him in police control room or some other stations where his supervision is not required. In other words, we will ask the DGP to keep him on such post where Babugiri is only expected of him and not this field officer, work of field officer. We will post him as a Babu, police control room or somewhere where writing work is only entrusted to such officers.